I begin with the name of Allah, who is the merciful and the most powerful. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shah. I belong to Italy. I am a 13-year old. I am a student of the Quran class. Today, I am very happy to represent you and share my brilliant knowledge about co-education, good or bad. I will try to share such good knowledge about co-education. Zabahal, Zabahal Dazar ki chacha ta bayan kram. Zabahal Dazar ki chacha ta bayan kram. Sukh sadavi na kohegi, sukh pehegi jam sadav. Mr. President, co-education is that when men and women learning together is called co-education. Generally assumed, co-education was originally introduced for reasons of economy. In part 1, it was not possible to provide separate schools for boys and girls. Sufficiently large number of children of one particular sex could not form to fill up school. So instead of putting up to separate school and having to pay teacher for teaching and classes is very few purpose. Education as school was started off. As a result is on the whole, the management had to pay less and the teacher had to pay more. But with the rapid growth of population in recent years, the system of education cannot be depended on education purely on the ground of economy. Many other reasons are now given to favor it, but with the rapid growth of population in recent years, one the objector raised against equally in a manner. Let's some example of them. Science and sex segregation. It's thought this is due to the fact that diet people don't like to be subsidized, insulted, or put to shame a presence, a members of opposite sex. It is also true that the mixed class are the older better segment the class made up only one sex. And women are considered equal. Boy and girl educated cannot separate easily and throw away. I want to end my speech in these words. Dasrahal ba dakalam para badarakram. Dasrahal ba dakalam para badarakram. Palazaba mishabi ipo kanaja.